everyone, sorry it's been a while. So today I want to talk about the slow motion settings that I use with the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and also how I edit my videos into slow motion once I've taken them using Davinci Resolve 17. So I want to start off by showing you a couple examples of slow motion clips I've taken recently. So here they are. So these are the clips before turning them into slow motion, and we're just going to move into Davinci Resolve now to show you how to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Resolve and come into the third tab, which is the Edit tab, and get your footage imported. You can do this by right clicking and pressing Import Media. And the clip that I want to turn into slow motion today is this one, which is of me blowing a bubble ring underwater. So we're going to watch through this clip quickly. And you can see this is taken in real time, and I shot it at I think 120 frames at 2.7K resolution. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow this down to 24 frames per second, which is slowed down 5 times. So we're going to do this by, I'm going to quickly get rid of this again. You're going to right click on the clip which you want to turn into slow motion, and you're going to get this pop-up screen, and then you're going to come down to clip attributes, which should open up another screen. And here it's going to have this screen where it's going to say video frame rate, and this is where we're going to change. It says custom right now, so any number above 60 is going to be written as custom, and I shot this at 120, so that's why we have this. And it's going to be really easy. You're just going to click down and choose the frame rate that you want it to be at. So for this one I'm going to go for 24. You're going to click OK, and now this clip is going to be it's changed into 24 frames per second. So if you drag it down to your timeline, it's going to be 5 times as long, as it's been slowed down 5 times. And if I play it, you're going to see it's in slow motion. Let me show you another thing. So that one I slowed down 5 times to 24 frames, but you can slow it down as much as you want, as long as you don't go too low on the frame rate, otherwise it's going to look choppy. So next, let's try, you're going to right click and duplicate the clip, and then for this one which I duplicated, I'm going to set this to, I think I'm going to try 60 frames. So for this one, that means I'm going to go from 120 frames down to 60 frames, so it's slowing it down 2 times. So if I drag this into the timeline, it's going to be a lot faster than the 24 frames, but it's still going to be half speed to the original clip. So it's going to look like this. And yeah, this is pretty much like all you could, this is pretty much why I change my clips into slow motion. I change the frame rate depending on how fast I want it. And also it depends on the type of footage that you use. So like with the dolphins, I actually shot this in 4K 60 frames. And I slowed it down to 24 frames, which is about 2 to 3 times slower. And I think it looks really nice at this speed. And also with the GoPro Hero 9, you can film at 240 frames at 1080 resolution. So if you really want, you can film something at 240 frames and then slow it down 10 times if you drop it all the way down to 24 frames. Hey, so thank you for watching all the way through, and I hope you enjoyed it. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Also, I post a lot of my photos on my Instagram, especially the underwater ones, so please check me out there if you're interested. And yeah, as always, I will see you in the next video.